Hello, retail traders. What a great week we had last week between the Bears and the Bulls. The room did it perfectly. We played the supports and we sold at resistance all week long. We created what you would call a Darvas box on the SPY, and I'm going to show you what we went by. So we're going to pull up the indices for first thing. Every morning I come in here and I give it the red flag or the green flag to look at your stocks, and then I just go ahead and say look at what you want to look at. So this morning we came in here Friday morning right out of the gate. I said get ready, wait for the pullback. Once the pullback happens, establishes a trend, we'll go ahead and take the trade and ride it out all day long. I expected it to be a flat day. We were flat most of the day until the end of the day where we had the huge gap. I mean, these charts, I kept saying in the room, they're looking beautiful. There's nothing wrong with today. There's not any mass selling, and there's not any mass buying. The buys are not getting sold out as bad as they have been in the past all week. So at the end of the day, every one of them broke out to a higher level, and we just really appreciated it. Now on the SPY, this is the trade that I talked about a lot last week. The indices that I talk about are the IWM, the QQQ, the SPX, and the SPY. This gives me the green light to take the trade. So last week, the SPY created the Darvas box, and I'm going to pull this up on a 20-day, 1-hour time frame. We had all these bottoms, and we called every one of them out. Started trading every time we hit that bottom. Boom! Take the trade. Take the trade. Take the trade. And we ran it all the way up to the top every day. It was just a beautiful thing to see and to admire if you were sitting around watching these trades. So we're going to break out of the Darvas box. We got to bust past this 200. Now on the daily, I'm going to show you something on the daily that you might pick up. This is a yearly chart. This is called the yin yang. We pulled back. This was your resistance level in here. It now becomes support. We pulled back, hit it, pulled back, hit it, pulled back and hit it. Now on the daily candles, these are all bull flags. The wicks are at the bottom, which means the buyers tried to hold the price up at the end of the day. Another positive. Then, at the end of the day, they came in and just dropped the bucket on you. So this happened all week long. And we recognized that at the very first day. I really thought we were going to take off on this hammer, but boom, no. We ended up with the same thing, with a higher high. So let's break this 200 come this week. Let's try to get it up to these next resistance levels and see what we can get. We got to break 445.54 and 446.61. We break them, we can take it up here to a higher level and maybe get 450, 451 out of it. And I wish everybody a great week. We sure had a good time last week. Hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, follow it. I do short little videos like this, plus I'm live every day showing these trades, showing the entries, and where I think the resistance is on the day. If you listened to me last week, you got out at the highs every day and bought the low. So good luck to you. We wish you a lot of fun. Retail traders.